to stay abreast with all the latest videos that's coming aboard. All right, so we're gonna do a ABS video today. We got an Asian video today. We're Asian, and we're gonna go to. All right, so it's Nissan picking between two systems, so it's not sure between the two systems, and I'm not sure as well. So we're just gonna see what happens. Alright, so we're going to read the ECU information. So this is the actual module. How I know is because the 9KK3A, because I've pulled the airbag module and it had, you know, the same suffix and prefix, whatever. Alright, so we go back. That's just information purposes. We may get a code because the system is in diagnostic mode, so it's in diagnostic mode. That's why it's giving me that communication. So don't worry about that. There's actually no problem with it. All right, erase code. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to check for live data. Let's go to main signals. All right, so these are all the sensors on each wheel. So it's showing me it's at 0 miles per hour on all 4 wheels, which is good. G sensor, it's at 0. Front solenoid is off. Everything should be off. The car is off, so everything is going to be off. Let's just go down to something interesting. Stop lamp. So this is my foot brake. Let's see if I step on my foot brake, if it changes status. It's changed status. Off the brake, on the brake. Off the brake, on the brake. Alright, so that works. Motor relay is off, car's not running. Actuator on, actuator relay on. ABS warning light is on because we're in diagnostic mode. And the reason why this light is on is because the ABS is not working while it's in diagnostic mode. So it's just actually just giving you raw codes, which I like. It's giving me raw codes. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, so again, battery voltage. We're in first gear in the module. So the YAW yaw rate sensor, that's the position of the steering wheel. So once I turn the steering wheel, the numbers should jump. See, it's jumping around. So I'm turning the steering wheel to the left, it jumped to 27. Turn it to the right, jump to 27. All right, so let's go to sensor. Alright, so we're just scrolling back. So it's just going around the circle. Alright, so let's do it with the car running and see what happens. So right now, the ABS light is on while the vehicle is running because the vehicle is in diagnostic mode, as well as the VSM light is on because the vehicle is in diagnostic mode. So if I drive like this, I have no ABS and I have no vehicle stability control. And I don't know if I maybe I can just show it on the, yeah, I don't want to lose my position on the camera, but I think in order to make a good video, I should just show it. So again, these lights are on because I'm in diagnostic mode. Once I get out of diagnostic mode, these lights should be off. All right, so let me just set back my camera so you guys can see. Okay. Oh, I'm in a better angle. Yeah. All right. So as I showed you, we're in diagnostic mode. That's why it's showing me the raw codes that the lights are on. But in fact, there is no problem with the system. It's just not able to do its job right now because it's in diagnostic mode. All right. So we're just gonna run through all this. The light, the warning light is on before it's off. Now it's on because the engine is running, so it's letting us know that, hey buddy, if you drive, you know you're on your own. All right, so let's go down voltage. We already covered that in the other video. All the sensors are going to be at 0. Alright, so let me shut the system down. Let me unplug the tool. I'll do it from the top because I don't feel like going to the bottom of the car. Alright, so I'm just going to unplug it and plug it back in. So that's going to take me out of the diagnostic mode. And what I want to show you guys is that while I'm out of the diagnostic mode, the lights are going to go off on the ABS. So let me just do that again. See, the lights are off. All right. Let me just set this back up. Okay. Give you guys a nice video to watch. You have your beer, you got your coffee, you got your croissants, whatever, your chicken wings, fried rice, whatever, KFCs. All right, so as you've seen, the lights are off. It's out of diagnostic mode. So we're just gonna do a basic talk. I'm just gonna lead you guys up to the next video that I'm gonna do, which is gonna come out in a few days. So I'm gonna have the tool out. You definitely want to subscribe to this channel. I'm going to use this tool to actually repair an ABS system. And the problem with that ABS system is the car was in a collision and the harness were severed. So the harnesses are ripped up. So what happened was the mechanic, he electrical taped all the wires together, and it caused, over time, the wires came loose because of corrosion and weathering. So my job is to go there with this tool, find out exactly what's wrong with the ABS system, and actually, in my case, I'm believing that one of those wires corroded out, and it's just a simple solder and heat shrink repair, which I'm gonna do. But I want to bring the tool out and really show you guys how this tool works in the field. And you know, that's basically it. So definitely subscribe to PrecisionConnectionsAuto.com, Periscope, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, what else, and what have you. So PrecisionConnectionsAuto.com, subscribe, become a part of the movement, and learn how to use the tool.